how to unlink or relink your Rockstar Games account, as well as going to be how you can fix also with you forgot your email or your password. Now, let's go ahead with forgetting email and password first. Now, upon logging into Social Club website, if you forgot your password, upon entering your email address, just simply tap on forgot password and you will be redirected to your Google Mail account or any email addresses associated with your Rockstar Games account. Now, with unlinking or relinking your Rockstar Games account, all you have to do is again to log into the rockstargames.com's official website. And once you're here, all you have to do is just click on your profile icon right here, and there will be a drop down if you click on account, so click on that and just go directly to settings. Now, once you click on settings, you will have to be redirected to the settings page. So to relink or unlink your account, there's going to be options in here like profile, privacy, linked accounts, avatar, email, two-step verification. Now just go directly to linked accounts, and all of the accounts that you linked with your Rockstar Games will be up showing here. So if you would like to unlink your account from Google, just simply tap in on that. Now, if you would like to unlink it, then tap it again. Same goes with other platforms or maybe Amazon, Twitch, Xbox, and so on and so forth that you can link or unlink your account with Rockstar Games to another platform. So that's it. That's how easy you can relink or unlink your account with Rockstar Games.